Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking on First Republic Bank. If you want to access your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for online banking could be the best decision. The process to register for online banking is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of your registration process, you will be able to access your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on the desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search bar, search for firstrepublic.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go to the personal option here. Then from the banking section, choose online and mobile. Now you will land onto another page. Scroll down to the bottom and go and tap onto Enroll Online Banking view form. By tapping on it, you will land onto another page where you can start your registration process. So in order to get started, you will have to enter your personal detail first. Enter your first name in this text field here, then the last name in this text field, then enter your zip code. Now you will have to enter a valid email address in this text field here. Then enter the phone number that is associated to your banking account. Select a date, then select a time as per your requirement. And once done, go and tap onto the submit button. Now on the other page, you might need to enter your account details or verify your identity. Follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for online banking account on First Republic Bank. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.